Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create this Surface model earphone in Siemens NX. Step by step. Okay, let's start. First, we need to create the main sketch. Select X-ray plane. Then we create two lines as reference line. So we need convert to reference. Then we need dimension. Horizontal 2 mm and this 3.5. Okay, next we need use conic. Select these two. Okay, next we need to select these curves tangent to the reference line, not as 2. Okay, below the curve, select the curve and select center line. Next, select two curves and below. Okay, finish the sketch. So. Yes. Next, we need to create a new Datum plane and distance 10 mm. Okay. Next, we need to select the new Datum plane, then create let's see the dimension 5 mm. Long distance is 8 mm. Okay, finish. We need distance 10 mm and sheet. Okay. Next, we need to use surface and source codes. Select and select the sketch. Add a new sketch. Select this code. Okay, we need continuity this tangent. Oh, we need to change the star. Or change here. Okay. Next, we need a bunch plate. Assumed we use the Extrusion. Select the region and offset. Need offset single side minus 0.5. Boolean subject. Select this face. Okay. Continue. We need use the extrude. Select tangent curves. Tangent 1 mm. Okay. Next, bond plane. Nice. Okay, next we need to create two holes like X-ray plane, then create two circles. Dimension 3 mm. And the middle of the circle. Make dimension 3. We'll change 2mm. Finish. Boolean subject. Okay, we finish. Next we had extrude. So we need to use revolve, select these profile, edge, then select these X point. Select these center. Okay. So we get this revolve feature. Okay, next we need order face. Okay, yes. Next we need cut the surface here. So extrude, select XY plane. Then we need include the point. Create a line and arc. Radial 50 and close the sketch. Finish. Symmetrical value. Boolean subject. Okay. So next we need to create another sketch. Extrude, select XY plane. Then create a circle. The dimension 8mm. $10mm and 6. Finish. Boolean line. Reverse direction. Distance 55 and first distance is 5mm. Okay. Okay, next we need to create the line, reference line. So code use okay, nice. 1, 2, 3 we need. Okay, so next we need to use bridge code. Select this code. Okay, next this code 1 and tangent. Continue. Yes. And this bridge. Okay. Oh, we need this bridge, so we need to create a indication code. Select the surface and we need to use the plane. Select XY plane. So we get the indication code. Bridge. Okay. Next we need to use source code mesh. Create a surface. First, select this tangent. Cos 1. Edit new 3, 4. Add a new close. Select this first one. And tangent. Okay. Nice. Bundle play. Okay. So you select all the face. Then edge blend 1 mm. Okay. Next we hide all the code. Okay, we quickly finishing the surface model step by step. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.